What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and the Steve Ram channel has hit 100,000 subscribers. And since I'm Steve Ram and this is my channel and my mind is blown, I'm going to be giving away some money to random subscribers here on the channel in today's video. I'm going to randomly select 4 subscribers, and throughout the course of this video, not all at once, so you have to stick around to see if you're one of the winners, I'm going to be naming off winners to receive $250 each for a total of $1,000 to celebrate 100,000 subscribers. So first off, you guys, I just want to say thank you, because this would not be made possible if it wasn't for you, the Ram fam, the viewing community, joining me here on the channel, because I'm really just a random guy that talks to my phone and then uploads it to YouTube. So you guys, I'm just mind blown. I'm just so humbled and honored that so many people want to join me, and I pray that the content is a blessing. I'm going to continue to do so. I hope that it's informative and entertaining, and I'm going to keep uploading so that way you guys can stay up to date on all of the economic news, the stimulus, money, investing, and all of that good stuff. But you guys, throughout the course of this too, I'm going to shout you out because I see every single one of you. You don't know this, but I see you in the YouTube studio. I can see every single subscriber when you subscribed in all of your comments. So I'm going to shout out a couple people and also just take a trip down memory lane on some of the videos and say some thank yous. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's do this. First winner, let's name them off, that's going to be receiving $250 is going to be named right after you smashed the like button. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, hit the subscribe button, because you can't stay up to date on everything and you can't win money if you're not subscribed to the channel. So smash the subscribe channel, smash the subscribe button, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram as well at SteveRam3. There's 100,000 people here, so I do my best to respond to everybody, but I miss a lot of them. So Instagram is a great way to reach me as well. But now let's do this. The real first winner of $250 is going to be Lorraine Santana. Congratulations, Lorraine. I'm going to be reaching out to you. I'm going to be sending you $250. Thank you so much for joining me here on the channel. Now, you guys, in the last year, I've gained 100,000 subscribers, which is just crazy also too, because it wasn't even until July that I hit 10,000, so the vast majority of the growth has been in the second half of the year. Now, I just want to take a moment to shout out my very first subscribers. So thank you so much to Philip Maddock, Wolf Counselor, Barbara Stone, L Fizzy, Aisha Gibson, Anywhere Fitness Coach, The Bo Mark Collection, Arnitha Hicks, M.E. Gorpso, and Jeff McKinney. Thank you guys so much. And Philip Maddock, my first subscriber, he's actually my brother, and I'm a long lost sibling. It's a long story, but he didn't even know I existed until right around the time that he subscribed to the channel. And now I actually met up with him. It's in one of my videos if you'd like to check it out right here, where I met my brother for the very first time. But now let's take a look at the very first video I uploaded, and you guys can see where I started. And I hope this inspires you to get started, because just start and then you'll progress, as you'll see.
Hey guys, Steve here, real estate investor and entrepreneur. And in this video, we're going to be evaluating the numbers on a potential rental property. So yesterday, a friend of mine reached out.
Sorry guys, I changed my mind, can't do it. It's really hard for me to watch myself. If you guys want to watch it, go ahead and check it out right here. You know what? Let's name another winner. The second winner of the $250 giveaway. Let's name them off right now. So congratulations to Dwayne Greer. Dwayne Greer, you are the subscriber that's going to be getting $250 from me. Congratulations. I'm going to be sending that out to you here very soon. So next, I want to take a moment to say thank you to 3 people. The first being my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Thank you so much. Second, wanted to say thank you to my beautiful, loving wife, Monica. None of this would be possible without her love and support, that's for sure. And if you don't already, be sure to follow her on Instagram at modestmom of2 and tell her that Steve sent you. Give me some points. And lastly, I wanted to say thank you to my YouTube coach and mentor, Roberto Blake. We've done one-on-one coaching, and I definitely could not be where I am today if it wasn't for Roberto's help. And if you're thinking about getting started in YouTube, you might want to consider some coaching from Roberto. So thank you so much to my Lord, thank you to my beautiful wife Monica, and thank you to my YouTube coach Roberto. And also thank you to this video right here for being the first one that exploded and launched my channel. Before this video, I was pretty much the only person that watched my videos. I'd watch them over and over to try to get my view count up until I got tired. But this one, other people actually watched it. And when it hit 1,000 views, my mind was blown. And then the YouTube gods, the algorithm, looked upon it with favor, and it just started gaining views and more, and then it just took off. And this was really the first video that launched my channel, and it was really random. I had no idea what I was doing doing, and if you've seen it before, I was the person that uploaded it. So I'm going to share with you just a little clip of it, but thank you so much to Grant Cardone and Jordan Belfort for having this podcast, Fighting Like Cats and Dogs, and then allowing me to upload it and have it explode on my channel.
Who literally, in my book, knows probably about as much about sales as like, I don't know, like you know, someone from one of those munchkins from The Wizard of Oz.
Okay, so you're Grant Cardone.
Let me understand.
Yeah, hang on a second.
All right, so enough of that. Let's give out some more money. Let's name the third winner of the giveaway. So the third winner that's going to be receiving $250 is going to be named after you smash the like button. If you haven't already, make sure that like button turns gray. But no, for reals, the third winner is going to be Jorge Rivera. Congratulations, Jorge. I'm going to be reaching out to you. I'm going to be sending you $250. Thank you so much for being a subscriber here on the channel. So once again, that is Lorraine Santana. Thank you so much. Also, Dwayne Greer, thank you so much. And Jorge Rivera. And very shortly, I'm going to be naming the fourth and final subscriber winner here on the channel. Thank you guys so much. And next, I wanted to shout out the channels that follow me with the most subscribers. And that's going to be Elise Stefan, Old School Funk, Elise Lilly, Deleted Reddit Stories, Painfully Honest Advice, Christian Carlo, Anzo, Wallytron 101, Brainfeed.cal, and The Stephen Carlson Show, Millionaire Millennial. So you guys, thank you so much. Congratulations on having all those subscribers. And also, regardless of whether you have 0 subscribers or 1,000,000 subscribers, you guys are welcome here on the channel. I pray that the content is a blessing to everybody that joins. And you guys, I just want to let you guys know, if you don't know my story and you don't know this already, I just wanted to say that when I first started, it was all about investing and money and things like that. But then when everything unfolded in 2020 that happened, and I saw that there were tens of millions of people unemployed and hurting from the pandemic, I totally decided to pivot my channel towards providing economic news, because it really struck a chord with me. Because in the last recession, if you don't know, I lost my job, I lost my place, I lost my car, I lost everything, and I was in one of the lowest points of my life, but I was able to pick myself back up and able to progress, and I've come a long ways. And it really resonated with me, and I wanted to encourage people and give you information and be the person that I wish that I had to support me through that time, and just encourage you guys and say, I believe and I know we're gonna get through this. There's gonna be better days. Hang in there, and I'm gonna do my best to provide you with all the information to help you get on track. So just want to take a moment to say that and say, God bless you guys. I love you. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and name off the fourth and final winner that's going to be getting $250 from today's giveaway. So I've already named off 3 of them so far throughout the course of the video, and this is going to be the fourth and final one. But before we do, once again, I just wanted to say that here on this channel, the content that you're going to be receiving, I hope it's informative and helpful. It's going to be giving you guys economic news, sometimes even while dancing, regarding stimulus or unemployment. And also, I'm going to be starting to add content regarding financial education information to keep you guys up to date, and I'm going to do my best to provide you guys with helpful stuff that'll help you out with money. So keep an eye out for that. I'm going to continue to upload here on the channel. But now, the last, fourth and final winner is going to be Cindy Ruiz. Congratulations, Cindy. I'm going to be reaching out to you. I'm going to make sure that you can get $250 for being a subscriber. And once again, thank you to everybody that has subscribed to the channel. This channel could not be what it is without you guys. Thank you so much. I'm truly humbled and honored. And I'm going to do my best to continue to keep you guys up to date. So you guys, I hope this reaches you well. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.